vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Peru, LaSalle, Marseilles, Sheridan, Spring Valley, Lake Holiday, Oglesby, Silmanock, Earlville, North Utica, Serena, Leland, Tonka, Natlade, Millington, Dayton, Cedar Point, Troy Grove, and Triumph. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 47 and 67. Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 101. This includes Buffalo Rock State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Mathewson State Park, and Starved Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.